Meaning of effeminate.
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 Effeminate. Effeminate is an adjective used to describe a man or boy who displays behavior that is traditionally associated with femininity. This behavior may include being overly sensitive, delicate, and emotional, or exhibiting a lack of physical or mental toughness. The term is often used in a derogatory way, implying that the individual is weak or inferior due to their feminine traits. However, it is important to recognize that there is nothing inherently negative about embodying qualities traditionally associated with femininity, and that these stereotypes are socially constructed and unfair to both men and women.